This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bad. Like chips at the front. Lift up, I'm fly like a pelican in my bed. I get my wave hella quick. They think that I put up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. It's a big. It's a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock.
So we're working on the Redcat 64 again, and we're going to change out the grill for a gold set. So I'm going to show you guys how that's done, and we're going to add on a few other gold parts to this as well. So one of the first things that we're going to do is use a 2mm Allen to remove the 3 screws that hold on this this bumper mount, and then from there we'll be able to take the front bumper off. So the bracket is off, and now we can just take the bumper right off. So next step will be to get the grill off, which there are on these headlight buckets some very small Phillips head screws, so we're just going to take those off, and then we'll be able to get the grill off. The headlight buckets are removed, and at this point we can just gently press out the grill, and I'm going to need another hand to get that off, but let's get it out. All right, and the grill has been removed. All right, so we need to take the light assemblies out of the other bumper, grab the lens, and then there is the option, there is a gold part. I'm going to put the chrome one in, but we'll put that into the new bumper, and then we'll button up the front end. All right, so now we're going to put the grill back in. All right, so the grill has been reattached, and that looks pretty good. All right, and there's the front end all in gold, and now we're going to do the back. So now we're going to remove the body mount on the back bumper. There's 3 screws, 2mm, so we'll take those off, and then there is some screws holding in the back, and then we'll be able to disassemble the back end. So I've removed the 3 screws, and the rear bumper just comes right off, and the bracket. So now we need to remove these chrome inner pieces, and then we'll start reassembling it with the gold. All right, so the front is gold, and the back is gold. And that's how you change out the bumpers. Obviously, I got other little details I need to do in gold, but I'll do that another time. But anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have questions, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.